Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn off AOD always on display option on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just tap here to this home screen, lock screen and always on display section. Now just scroll down and tap here on the always on display, and just to turn off this option here, tap once on the switcher, and as can you see, we just turned off the always on display. And now we'll check that, yeah, as can you see, when our screen is locked, we can see anymore all of this information on our screen. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.